Richmond.
Ah,
School shit.
I got like 10 seconds to talk shit.
East side.
Ah, man.
Got you.
West side all day.
Louisville.
Louisville. Go.
All-star, that nigga done is an athlete. Bet money with these 95s on. You can't catch me, you already know.
Y'all should.
I blow the best, reefer tree, my eyes low. I'm Chinese, but you still can't see me. Pocket full of green beans.
Money.
Oops, I mean green beans.
Franklin.
I'm trying to stack up so one day I can get a Benz. But really, that marrow, I'm going hystero. I ball hard, I go pro. Smoking the endo. Deion Sanders, I'm about to catch an intro. Call me Phil Knight, I got more checks than him though. With my money, I'm investing in some Pepto. Cause I'm shitting on all you hoes.
That's the best one.
That's
I
my
like my music real loud, real loud. Can you turn that shit up for me right now, right now? I was about to take a bath too. That's why I got my shirt off. So you wouldn't think nothing.